For My Lover Returning to His Wife by Sexton. She is all there. She was melted carefully down for you and cast up from your childhood, cast up from your 100 favorite aggies. She has always been there, my darling. She is, in fact, exquisite. Fireworks in the dull middle of February, and as real as a cast iron pot. Let's face it, I have been momentary, a luxury, a bright red sloop in the harbor, my hair rising like smoke from the car window. Littleneck clams out of season. She is more than that. She is your have-to-have. Has grown you your practical, your tropical growth. She is not an experiment. She is all harmony. She sees to oars and oarlocks for the dinghy, has placed wildflowers at the window at breakfast, sat by the potter's wheel at midday, set forth 3 children under the moon, 3 cherubs drawn by Michelangelo, done this with her legs spread out in the terrible months in the chapel. If you glance up, the children are there like delicate balloons rising on the ceiling. She has also carried each one down the hall after supper, their heads privately bent, 2 legs protesting person to person, her face flushed with a song in their little sleep. I give you back your heart. I give you permission, for the fuse inside her throbbing angrily in the dirt, for the bit inside her and the burying of her wound, for the burying of her small red wound alive, for the pale flickering flare under her ribs, for the drunken sailor who waits in her left pulse, for the mother's knee, for the stocking, for the garter's belt, for the call, the curious call, when you will burrow in arms and breast and tug at the orange ribbon in her hair and answer the call, the curious call. She is so naked and singular. She is a sum of yourself and your dream. Climb her like a monument, step after step. She is solid. As for me, I am a watercolor. I wash off.